Get ready to dive into a showdown between the OnePlus 15 and the Vivo iQOO 15, two powerhouses pushing the limits of flagship smartphones. Both pack the blazing Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, but how do they stack up in display brilliance, camera prowess, battery life, and those killer extra features? Will the OnePlus 15's ultra-bright LTPO AMOLED screen and AI-powered Mind Space app eclipse the iQOO 15's insane 6,000 nit peak brightness and advanced cooling tech? And when it comes to price, does the Vivo iQOO 15's more affordable range shake up the game? Stay tuned as we break down which one truly dominates. And here's the kicker. Does premium always mean better? Or is the Vivo iQOO 15 the real flagship killer? When it comes to the display, the OnePlus 15 sports a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with an impressive 165 Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support, delivering ultra-smooth visuals and vibrant HDR10+ content. Meanwhile, the Vivo iQOO 15 ups the ante with a slightly larger 6.85-inch screen that hits a staggering 6,000 nit peak brightness, making it a beast under direct sunlight. OnePlus edges out with 13% higher typical brightness and 10% better power efficiency, plus TÜV Rheinland Intelligent Eye Protection 5.0 certification for long-term comfort. So, it's a battle between supreme brightness and energy-smart brilliance. Both the OnePlus 15 and Vivo iQOO 15 run on the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset built on a 3nm process, packing octa-core CPUs clocked up to 4.6 GHz and the powerful Adreno 840 GPU. This means both deliver top-tier performance and gaming prowess with no compromise. So the playing field is level here, making other features the real deciders. The OnePlus 15 shines with its AI-powered Mind Space app and Plus Key AI button, enabling seamless multitasking and intelligent information capture, alongside a Glacier cooling system and high-res 24-bit 192 kHz audio. On the flip side, the Vivo iQOO 15 boasts the Q3 gaming chip, Warhammer Max dual-axis motor for immersive haptics, and an 8K Ice Dome cooling system plus IP68, IP69 water resistance. Both pack serious tech, but OnePlus leans into AI and audio, while iQOO focuses on gaming and durability. Both phones feature a versatile triple 50-megapixel camera setup, but the OnePlus 15's main wide lens has a brighter f1.8 aperture with multi-directional PDAF and OIS, ideal for low light and sharp shots. Its video capabilities include 8K at 30 FPS and Dolby Vision HDR recording, giving it a slight edge for creators. The Vivo iQOO 15 matches resolution but offers a 3x optical zoom periscope with a narrower f2.7 lens, great for telephoto shots but less light intake. OnePlus 15 impresses with Hasselblad color calibration for natural tones, a 3.5x optical zoom periscope, and AI detail boost that enhances clarity and removes blurs. Vivo iQOO 15 counters with a 3x optical zoom periscope lens, nice imaging algorithm, and a unique RGB lit camera module with a color spectrum sensor for enhanced color accuracy. OnePlus focuses on color science and AI, while iQOO emphasizes imaging tech and style. The OnePlus 15 packs a hefty 7,300 mAh Li-ion battery, slightly larger than the Vivo iQOO 15's 7,000 mAh CIC Li-ion cell. This extra capacity, combined with OnePlus's lower power display, suggests longer endurance for heavy users, a key factor for gamers and multitaskers alike. Both devices are tough with IP68, IP69 dust and water resistance, but the Vivo iQOO 15 adds flair with a color-changing rear panel, giving it a unique aesthetic edge. Durability meets style in iQOO's design, while OnePlus sticks to a classic premium finish. Memory configurations are identical for both phones, ranging from 12 GB to 16 GB RAM and storage options up to 1 TB. This parity means performance and multitasking won't be limited by memory on either device. Price-wise, the Vivo iQOO comes in significantly cheaper, ranging from $600 to $850, while the OnePlus 15 starts above $900. This gap raises the question, is the premium OnePlus experience worth the extra cash, or does the Vivo iQOO offer better bang for your buck?